Hey guys, thanks for watching. This video I'm going to show you how to put RJ45 onto a CAT6 cable, and this is my tech tip of the week video. Alright. First of all, on these easy crimps is one I'm using right now. It's actually the only one I have, so don't ever forget to put the back piece on first, because then you'll just have to cut it off and redo it. So I'm going to go ahead and measure out it. Whenever you do these, guys, make sure you strip your wire back long, because where people getting headaches trying to put these things on, and I can't do it because it's just they cut themselves short and they don't give themselves a lot of wire to work with. So strip it back plenty, and I'll show you why here in a little bit. You're going to have to spread these wires apart. Got to get it copacetic. We're going to start off with stripping back these twisted pairs together. Got to get them separated. When I do that, I got to take me either my little tweaker screwdriver or whatever I got flat and put them wires between mine, strip them right out like that. This is going to be the green and white pair right there. First pair was the orange and white. This is the green and white. This looks like I'm doing the brown and white, and then the blue and white. And we got to put these in order. You know what? You can actually, if you put them in order on both sides, the same way it'll work. But this is the way everybody wants it. So the first order is going to be white, orange, and orange. Then you're going to go white, green. Just going to lay them all out in my finger right there. Hold it there. Then we're going to go blue. Then we're going to go, and that's, like I said, that's why it's best to have them long, so you can kind of keep them straight. White blue is going to be next. We're going to go green. We're going to go white, brown, and brown. So like you see, I got it laid out in my hand. It goes white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown. Lays out just like that. Then I, clip all the extra off right there. See how it's flat and straight? And yeah, makes it really easy to do these things that way. And I got plenty of, not trying to, I got plenty to hold it. It's not, I'm just trying to fight the tips when I'm putting this on. There you go, slides right through there. Make sure it doesn't crimp any of the wires back, or none of the wires get out of order when you stick it through there. You can just go through your wire count and look. You can look right through there and see. I'm going to cut some more extra off and see it says white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown. Like I said. Okay, now I'm going to take my back piece. It kind of keeps you from people pulling them out when they just start tugging on wires. You got it plugged into the rack or plugged into your cameras or wherever you got it plugged into, so people can't just grab a hold of the cable and rip them right out. So that back piece is on. Some people don't put them on there, but it's kind of whatever you got. I guess at that point in time. So yeah, be careful not to pull the wires out because it hasn't been crimped yet. Yeah, you're definitely gonna need a pair of crimpers to do these too. So that's one thing for sure. I'm gonna kind of lightly pull the wire back just to where it barely goes inside that crimp, and then I'm gonna crimp it. Bam. Easy peasy. That's your RJ45 CAT6 right there. Anyway, guys, as always, I want to thank everybody for watching. Don't forget to go down there and hit that like and subscribe button for me. Tell your friends. I'm Justin Brown. Thanks for watching.